Hi everyone, my name is Deepti. Welcome back to my channel, a place where you can learn at your own pace. So today we are going to do an unboxing video in which I'll show you these set of flashcards by the big CD, and the name of the company is Educational Software Technologies Limited. Now these flashcards are something that can help you learn new vocabulary words which can be used across exams. You can use these words for IELTS, TOEFL, PT, GRE, GMAT, or even if you're appearing for some exam like CAT, which is an India-based exam, for that also you can use these flashcards. Now this packet will provide you 1496 high quality flashcards. The flashcards also have information about the pronunciation of the terms, what part of speech these terms belong to, as if it is a noun, an adjective, an adverb. If you have some synonyms or antonyms related to this word, then they will be written on the flashcard. They will also give you an extra packet or sleeve in which you can carry these flashcards wherever you go, so you can use them on the move. And then they also provide you some blank flashcards that you can use for preparation, self-preparation. So let's get started. Let's see what this packet has in for us. Okay, so that is where we open it from, and oh my god, so as you can see, this is how the product has been placed. So this is some kind of bookmark that you can use. This is the user's manual, and these are the flashcards that we have. Okay, so I would give you a closer look. So this is how something like this, a flashcard, would look like. So as I can see that the flashcard in the front has the spelling of the word, and then there is the pronunciation given. Also it is written that the word is a noun or an adjective. And behind the flashcard you have synonyms, antonyms, and 2 usages given of the specific word. And these are all the words that have been given. So I just would like to show you a closer view one more time. So this is how the front would look like, and this is how the back is going to look like. Okay, so seems really interesting till now to me. This is something different that other companies offer as compared to those. So this is something different. So what I will do is, let me go through the list of these words that this product offers, and in the next video I'm going to tell you my review, an honest opinion about how these flashcards are, how they can be used, are they should you actually buy them or not buy them. So these kinds of details we will discuss in the next video. And just in case you want to know the price of the product, you can ask me in the comment section and I can reply you based on that. Okay, so I'll see you soon, very soon in fact. Once I'm done with these flashcards, I will give you an honest opinion, an honest review about how these flashcards are, what is the quality of the words that you have in these flashcards, and is it worth investing in them. I hope you found this video informative. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. Happy learning! Keep evolving. If you want to contact me in person, please use Instagram or Facebook.